How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Honor Pad 9 keyboard. Now, if you're using this to the official Honor tablet or Honor related products, what you can do is to just dock your tablet onto the surface right here, and basically just make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled for the said device, and it will automatically be paired together by this fence right here. So there will be a pop-up, so you could just click on accept and you should be good to go. But if you're using this to external devices like maybe your computer, you want to press the Bluetooth button, you want to press and hold it, and then it will enter the pairing mode. So it will rapidly flash on the light right here. Or if the Bluetooth pairing button isn't available, you could press F and C, and from there it will now enter pairing mode. So if you're using it something like for your computer, head over to the Bluetooth and devices, click add device, navigate through Bluetooth, and from there you are simply good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.